was my model in writing that. It is as true of her now as then. Over and over I hear the...
So I'm David Pountney. I'm the Artistic Director and Chief Executive of Welsh National Opera, and in this particular case I'm also the director of the double bill The Fall of the House of Usher, which is two short operas both telling the same story by Edgar Allan Poe. The two operas are composed by two different composers. One of them is still alive, that's Gordon Getty, and his opera is very much a self-conscious narrative, and it's matched by music which really concentrates on expressing the text in vocal and musical terms.
Prolonged excitement could give him more strength than one would have thought possible.
In contrast, Debussy, writing nearly 100 years earlier, is using the full opulence of his impressionistic orchestral colour. That was the thing that primarily interested Debussy, was the atmospheric colour of this mystery tale. So you could say that the one opera is very much text-focused, and the other opera is very much atmosphere and colour focused, and that's what makes it interesting to tell these two stories in one evening. The interesting thing is that this story by Edgar Allan Poe must be one of the most transformed pieces of literature ever created. So the stories have an absolute ongoing fascination for audiences and for readers and for people who kind of touched by the Gothic and by a little bit of horror, and so I think that they will have a very interesting experience of hearing this classic sort of original horror story told twice via two very contrasting pieces of music.
Her mind is serene and pure. Many of us could envy her that. I would not deprive her of it, not for everything else in the world.